Okay guys, I'm here. I got a 2015 C300 4MATIC. Customer complaint was a auxiliary battery malfunction. I did a little bit of searching around and I noticed that I couldn't find auxiliary battery where they usually are, in the trunk or up underneath the hood. So I went online and I found that they have a capacitor basically that I guess works for the start-stop function. So I'm going to show you where it is. So this is the footwell on the passenger side. You have to pull the carpet back, and then there's this plastic cover right here that you take the 10mm screws out. And you can see right here, this is the actual capacitor. So it basically looks like one 10mm screw. Disconnect the connector, plug it back in on the new one, and you should be good to go, and that should erase the warning light. Hope this helps. Have a good day.